In this video, we are going to cover the next exercise of chapter 11.3, that is perimeter and area. In this exercise, we'll study the concept about circles. So, as we have studied perimeter of circle is called or known as circumference. That means in case of circle, the name of perimeter gets changed. It is known as circumference of circle. Formula to circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Area of circle is pi r square, where r is the radius. R is radius of circle. Pi is constant whose value is 22/7 or 3.14. Now we'll start solving questions of this exercise 11.3. First question is, find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. Take pi is equal to 22/7. We are given with the radius. First radius given as 14 centimeter. First A part 14 centimeter, R is 14 centimeter. We have to find the circumference. Formula of circumference is 2 pi r. 2 into pi is taken to be 22/7, radius is 14. Since they are all multiplied, we can divide 14 and 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 2 multiplied by 22 is 44. 44 multiplied by this 2 is 88 centimeter. Second is 28 mm. Radius is 28 mm. Circumference is 2 pi r. 2 into 22/7. R is 28. 7 ones are 7. 7 fours are 28. 40, 2 twos are 22 multiplied by 2 is 44, multiplied by 4 it will be 4 fours are 16, 4 fours are 16 and 1 17, 176 mm. Unit should be same. Third question, 21 centimeter is for the homework. Second part is, find the area of the following circle. Radius is given and pi is taken to be 22/7. First is radius 14 mm. Radius is 14 mm. Area of circle. Radius is 14 mm. Area of circle is pi r square. Pi to be taken 22/7. Radius is 14. Since its square is there in the formula, so it should be written double time. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 22 multiplied by 2 is 44 into 14. 44 multiplied by 14. 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16 and 1 17. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 5 6. It will be 616 mm square. It should be noted that circumference has single unit. It can be millimeter, it can be centimeter or meter. Since area has square of radius, so its unit will be mm square, centimeter square, meter square. It should be kept in the mind. Next is diameter 49 meter. Second part is diameter is given as 49 meter. Since diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius, or you can say that radius is 49 divided by 2. Diameter divided by 2. It is a formula that radius is always the half of diameter. Since we are given with a diameter, but we need area, we need radius to calculate the area. Area is pi r square. We need radius, so we have to taken half of this. Half means divided by 2. 49 divided by 2. Since it is square, this quantity should be double. Now 7 ones are 7, 7 sevens are 49. 2 ones are 2, 11 twos are 22. It is 11 into 7 into 49 divided by 2. 11 multiplied by 7 is 77, multiplied by 49 divided by 2. 77 and 49. 9 sevens are 56. 9 sevens are 56 and 5, 61. 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are 28 and 2, 30. 6, 9, 6, 3. 3, 6, 9, 6 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 16. 8 twos are 16, 9. 4 twos are 8, 8. 1848 meter square. Third is radius is 5 meter. Area is pi r square. 22 by 7, radius square 5 into 5. 22 into 5 into 5 is 25 divided by 7. Multiply 22 with 25. 5 twos are 10, 5 twos are 10 and 1, 11. 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4. 0, 5, 5 divided by 7. 7 sevens are 49. 8 sevens are 56, 7 sevens are 49, 60. 8 sevens are 56. 0.075 are 35, that is 78.5 centimeter square. This was the basic concept of circumference and area of the circle.